What is up, everyone? How's it going? Morgan here, Morgan's Monsters, on my way home from work today. I pulled this white flare booster box out of the vending machine. I got lucky. Then we got a First Partners illustration collection we're gonna open up today. Just wanted to say hi, show off. I'm excited. I haven't hit the vending machine in like a month, so I'm super stoked for this white flare. Also, before we open these up, there's a couple things I want to show off. First, my girlfriend and I were in Atlantic City, and she won me this cute little Charmander from a claw machine. She did a great job. She knows Charmander is my favorite starter and the best. Then a guy and his daughter, they make 3D printed stuff, and I had him make me this Morgan's Monsters sign and card holder and a little Poké Center here that holds penny sleeves and top loaders. They're personalized, so those are some pretty cool things we got. But let's get into what we're really here for. Let's start with the booster box. Six packs of white flare. Let's get into it. Hopefully we pull something where we gotta get some penny sleeves and top loaders. Heroes coming. I do have another surprise box. I've got a couple other ETBs, Mega Evolution, Surging Sparks. Yeah, y'all let me know what you think sounds good to open. Energy. Basculin. Panseer. Oh, I like that Panseer. Shelmet. Frillish. Heatmore. Ignition Energy. Mandibuzz. Another Mandibuzz. Velenux. And a Chandelure. There's the shiny cards. Here's the card. Energy. Cottony. Tepig. Gothia. Vanillet. Swanwa. Gigalith. Another Heatmore. Patrat. Ooh, Swadaloon. Okay. Little cute little Swadaloon. Full art. We will take that. And Terrakion. Oh, wait, hold on. You go there. First worthy card. What's the centering look like on this? Not great. Little right heavy. Top to bottom looks decent. Back looks pretty decent. Not a bad start. Not a bad start. Pack number 2. Oh, those are slick cards. Them slick, all right. Good card. Did I put one to the front? I don't remember. Hope so. Cool, I did. Energy. Swadaloon. Zora. Herdier. Vanillet. Gigalith. Siglif. I liked Siglif when she came out. I thought he was a cool Pokemon. Hilda. Tornadus. Perleon. Samurott. God, the centering on that's not good either. Very left heavy. Code card. Get that energy up front. Wada. Joltik. Ferroseed. Yamask. Denio. Another Hilda. Swasbuck. Stoutland. Bullabay. Gotharita. Ooh! Ooh, a full art Hilda. That centering is much better. Much better centering here. Let's see what the back looks like. A little top heavy. A little cocked to this side. The front looks really good though. Let's go. We are doing all right. Fire. Joltik. Gotharita. Lampent. Deerling. Stunfish. Lifeheart. Asalor. Watchhog. Cottony. Gothaletal. Woo! Alright. Magic. Oh, whoops. Slow down. Code card. Shiny Energy. Mindfu. Oshawott. I love Oshawott. You know otters hold hands when they go to sleep so that they don't drift away from each other? Fun fact. Trubbish. Herdier. Ferrothorn. Sharon. Levany. Ooh, a Panseer. Pokeball Panseer. Zebestra. An Embor. Not bad. Not bad so far. We'll take 2 full arts. Alright, I want Charmander or a Bulbasaur. My girlfriend's favorite Pokemon is Bulbasaur. So, if I get one, I have to give it to her. And there's a low punny pack in here. We all know low punny packs supposedly are the ones. Oh, I like these stickers. These are cool stickers. We all know low punny packs are supposedly the ones that have that SIR Charizard. Good card. Energy. Bayleaf. Sparrow. Onyx. Oh, wait, hold on. Y'all are 151. You gotta go separate. Snom. Repel. Ninjask. Marshadow. Lily's Determination. Jinx. Meganium. Alright, low punny. Good luck. The card. Phantasmal Flames. That card has a little damage. I will get there. I think I flipped it. Yeah. Energy. Toxel. Lotad. Prinlup. Palmo. Blowtorch. Sviper, no swiping. Bramblegast. Gloom. Gloom. Gramble. Reshiram. Last but not least, which one do y'all want to see? Comment down below which one you hope I get. Charizard, Bulbasaur. I'll take a Squirtle too, but Charizard or Bulbasaur. Let's do 2 to the front. Litlin. Oh, I like that art. That's good art. That's sweet. Papilou. Also very good art. Rowlet. We'll take him. We'll take him. Good centering on this one. Very good centering on Rowlet. Hold on. Papilio. Centering's not as good. Litlin does have good centering. Let's... Man, I want this whole set. I need to buy a couple more of these. Just so I can open up and get Charizard and Bulbasaur. Or Charmander and Bulbasaur. Well, folks, there we have it. That is our pack opening for the evening. It's just here. Rowlet. We'll show off the hits. So we have Litlin from the illustration, First Partners illustration collection. Very pretty artwork. Papilio, also very good artwork. Big fan. Rowlet. I think of these three, Rowlet's my favorite. Then Full Art Hilda. Pretty good centering. And then the Swaddaloon. Little grumpy Swaddaloon. Thanks, folks. I appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe. We are going to be opening a perfect order. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a little giveaway of some kind. It's either going to be a 3-pack blister, maybe a prismatic 3-pack blister. So if you want to enter on that, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do 3-pack blister. It'll be like, comment, subscribe on whatever video it is. I appreciate you for checking me out, watching the video. Have a great afternoon. See y'all later.